Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. In this video I'm drawing another Lego Ninjago character in my own style, and for the character of today I chose one of the villains again, and that is General Kozu. He is a very cool samurai type character, and as a special feature he has 4 arms, which is a challenge to draw because it messes up the upper body proportions. But I'm very excited to start on this one, so let's turn the camera around and let's draw General Kozu. General Kozu is the leader of the indestructible Stone Army, serving under both the Overlord and Garmadon. Kozu fought in the Stone Wars against the first Spinjitzu Master, a battle that ended with the Overlord incapacitated while the Stone Army was sealed underground. Countless years later, the Serpentine accidentally freed the Stone Army from their tomb shortly after they were awoken by the Great Devourer's venom. Kozu, reunited with the Overlord, served under Lord Garmadon, who wore the Helmet of Shadows. Kozu fought the ninja on the Dark Island and later in Ninjago City. Kozu was destroyed in the blast following the Overlord's defeat. General Kozu was markedly different from the rest of the Stone Army. He had white skin with red facial markings and 4 arms with black hands. His armor was predominantly red, save the black horns and fangs on his helmet. The bottom edges of most of the plates making up his body armor are silver. Like all members of the Stone Army, General Kozu's body was made of an indestructible material found on the Island of Darkness. This gave him great strength and incredible durability, although he could still be staggered and knocked around by sufficiently powerful attacks. Additionally, his 4 arms gave him increased capabilities in combat. Unlike his fellow stone soldiers, General Kozu could speak the modern Ninjago language, in addition to his own ancient tongue. This made him indispensable as Lord Garmadon's subordinate, as he was capable of translating the speech of the Stone Army for Garmadon. Like many high-ranking members of the Stone Army, General Kozu favored butterfly swords in combat. He was often seen wielding these black blades in all 4 hands at once.
Yeah.
Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked the drawing I made of General Kozu. What Ninjago character should I draw next time? Please let me know in the comment section. And as always guys, if you liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend, who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!